thanks for watching or tuning in, and I'm going to be unboxing a present from Diorama on Instagram that we swapped some pieces together, some treasure hunt Hot Wheels and something else that you'll no doubt find out soon. So here we have, very nicely packaged, fragile engine crane. So I'll pop that there. Flat kit that, that's for the ramp. Piece of polystyrene that's like a wall, that's quite cool. Quite inspiring, that. Good idea. And then this final piece is the 4-post legs, and then we've got a nice bit at the bottom. I can't see there. Polystyrene. So pop the packaging away, and then we'll come to fragile faster 4-post legs, and these were hand built by Diorama, so I'm really excited to see these. Seen the pictures and they look amazing. Nice. Put that one down. So you have the 4 legs, control panel with the wire going down, DLC lifts, Diorama customs I expect. So they sit up nicely. And then we have the flat base. Really nice and cool and simple. You slot these in on top. And there we go. A really cool 4-post lift. And I haven't really got a 1/24 scale model car to hand, but no doubt you shall see one soon. So pop that one over here. And then we have the fragile engine crane. As it's fragile, I'm trying to open it as fragile as I can. Hope you like the ASMR. This is incredible. I'm really stoked to have this. Well done, dude. This is engine crane. And then you've got a little chain as well that will loop through, and then you can hold. Saying that, I do have this I've been working on, so you can imagine that being on the ramp when the chassis is on, or indeed engine crane. Yeah, that's going to look really cool. Thank you very much, dude. It's going to really add to the diorama and give me real inspiration to keep going and get a really cool one done. Right, that's it. Thank you again for watching. And I just want to say I am so unbelievably stoked with these. I hope you go and give at Diorama Llama on Instagram, and you see his shop and his workshop and everything. He's built a really good setup. So yeah, take care.